Welcome back, students. Now we will learn how to implement a full adder using 74238 as well as 74138. A full adder is a combinational circuit which adds to 3 bits and it generates 2 outputs. One is the sum and the other is the carry. So we can express the sum output of a full adder as a summation of these mean terms 1, 2, 4 and 7, and we can express the carry of the full adder as a summation of mean terms 3, 5, 8, 7. So how can we implement a full adder using 3:8 decoder? Let's choose 74238. So it has 3 inputs, A0, A1 and A2. It has 8 output lines, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 up to Y7. And these output lines are active high output lines for 74238. So whenever any code 3-bit code comes on the input lines, the output line becomes high, the remaining lines are low. We will also indicate its enable lines. So it has 2 enable lines, E1 bar and E2 bar. Because they are active low enable lines, both these are connected and connected to a ground. The third is active high enable, which is E3, and this is going to be connected to VCC so that the decoder is enabled. Now we connect the 3 inputs which are to be added, that is A, B, C and the carry in input, the 3 bits to these 3. So the lower is the C in, then the B and the A. So the 3 inputs which are to be added are connected to A0, A1 and A2. This is A0, A1 and A2. So the 3 bits to be added, out of which C is LSB is connected to A0, B is connected to A1 and A is connected to A2. Now let's assume that the input combination is 0, 0, 0. That means the sum is 0, carry is 0. So Y0 will become 1. But the 0 combination or the 0 mean term is neither included in any of these. So let us look at the sum output. The sum should be 1 whenever the input bits are 0, 0, 1 or 2 or 4 or 7. So we pick up these output lines of the decoder, that is Y1, then Y2, Y4 and Y7, and we connect them to the input of an OR gate, and the output of this OR gate will indicate the sum output. So if the input bits take any of these combinations, let's take that 4, so it is 0, 0, 1, 4, then Y4 line will become 1. The other lines will obviously be 0 because their combination is not appearing on the inputs, but Y4 will become a 1. The input of this OR gate will become 1 and hence the sum will become 1. Similarly, we can use another OR gate to implement the carry output, which is 1 for 3, 5, 6 and 7. So we take 3, then 5, then 5, 6 and 7. And we again connect them, these outputs, to another OR gate, and this OR gate will generate the C out of the full adder. So this is how we can implement using 74238. What is the change when we make when we choose 74138. So let us draw the schematic of 74138 now. (74138) again has three inputs, A0, A1 and A2. Same enable lines. So we connect E1 and E2 bar to a ground, and E3, which is active high, is connected to VCC. Now the output lines over here are not active high, but the output lines are active low. So this is O0 bar, O1 bar, O2 bar, O3 bar, O4 bar, O5 bar, O6 bar and O7 bar. Now if a 0-0-0 combination comes, then the O0 output will become a high, the O0 output will become a low, the others will remain a high. So the exactly opposite state appears on the output lines as compared to that of 74238. How do we accommodate this? Now we will not be using OR gate, but instead this can be done using a AND NAND gate. So we connect the inputs similarly over here, that is C in, the B input and the A input, and we look at these outputs 1, 2, 4, 7, but instead of connecting them to an OR gate, we now connect them to a NAND gate. So it is 1, 2, 4 and 7, and this output will now generate the sum output. So when, let's say if the combination over here is a 4, that is 0, 0, 1, in that case the O4 output will become a low, but the rest of them will become high, right? Because O4 line is being selected and it is active low, so it will become a low whenever this combination comes. And because this becomes a low, here the inputs will be 1, 1, 0, 1, and the NAND gate will generate an output which is a 1. If any of these combinations does not come on the inputs, then all these output lines will be high. In that case, the sum output will be a 0, which is what we want. Similarly, we can use another NAND gate to implement the carry output by clubbing 3, 5, 6, 7 using a second NAND gate. This is the difference between how we implement using 74138 and 74238. Thank you.